Today we're going to do a quick sketch of y equals sine of 4x. So we've got a template. We'll find the essential information, plot our key sine points, and sketch one cycle. If you need it for reference, here is the general form of a sine equation. That just helps us define a and b. You can see in our equation, a is an understood 1. That's the amplitude. It'll help us set our maximum and minimum values. B is 4. And that's going to help us calculate the period. 2 pi over b gets you the period or the length of one horizontal cycle. So 2 pi over 4 reduces to pi over 2. Now, to set up step 2, we're going to pick a horizontal scale. Just take the period and divide by 4, or that's the same thing as multiplying by 1/4 if that helps. And we're going to count our horizontal tick marks using pi over 8. Again, that's period divided by 4. And that'll make sure each of our key points in step 2 lines up nicely with a horizontal tick mark. So we'll take care of that now. We'll count by 1 pi over 8, 2 pi over 8 reduces to pi over 4, 3 pi over 8, 4 pi over 8 reduces to pi over 2. And this fourth horizontal tick mark away from the origin should always match your period. That's how you know you've got it set up correctly. We'll quickly mark our vertical axis. Usually 1 works well. Look to A, to your amplitude for that. 1 is going to work nicely there. Those will be our max and min values. All right, so now we're ready for step 2. We're plotting our key points. The sine pattern is 0 max, 0 min. Our parent sine graph typically looks like this, just as a quick sketch. So for our graph, we have everything we need. It's all set up. Start at the origin with 0, 1. Move to your first horizontal tick mark to the right, pi over 8. That's going to be a maximum. And look to A for the y coordinate. Okay, remember amplitude is distance from midline of the graph up to maximum or down to minimum. We have another 0 at the next horizontal tick mark, and the minimum will just take the opposite value of A for its y value. So we've got our key points. We're ready to sketch one cycle. And don't forget, this is a trig graph, so it's cyclic or repeats. So you can repeat this pattern in both directions to get as many cycles of the graph as you need. So this is y equals sine 4x. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more graphing and other math help.